This is the SAP Developer News for January 18th, 2024.
Howdy developers. The 5th annual SAP Developer Insights survey dropped onto the internet this past Monday. This year should be particularly interesting. In addition to our existing questions around popular languages and frameworks, we delve into your use of SAP architecture patterns. We also have some specific questions exploring generative AI use cases for developers. You'll find the survey link in the notes section below. As usual, we'll report back the results to the community at large. The survey will run through the end of February, but don't wait. Click on the link when the news ends and share what you're up to with us. Thank you.
Did you know that with the CDS bind command, you can connect to a remote service on SAP BTP, such as a HANA Cloud instance? And test your CAP applications using that remote connection from either a local VS Code or from the Business Application Studio.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the SAP Developer News. We have some exciting news to share around UI5 for you today. After 10 years of version 1 and over 120 minor versions, version 2.x of openUI5 is finally available. If your apps follow the best practices, there is no migration effort needed, and you can start testing version 2 today. You can look forward to a better performance and a smoother user as well as developer experience. And speaking of developer experience, SAP UI5 adaptation projects are now also available for Visual Studio Code. Previously only available in the SAP Business Application Studio, you can now also use VS Code to extend standard SAP applications. Check out Oliver's blog posts for both of these announcements, and see you soon. Bye.
In the coming few days, the SAP Build process automation team will be introducing environments, which will provide a new governance capability for SAP Build process automation. You may be asking, what is an environment? Well, an environment, and more specifically, a shared environment, is a virtual location within your SAP Build process automation subscription where projects are deployed. A shared environment will allow you to isolate the resources and the project with specific rights associated with a given environment. For instance, two environments may be defined, such as one for material management and another for financial consolidation, and the projects related to the two environments might not use the same settings. Documentation will be available soon with further information. Meanwhile, check out Alexandre Fortin's blog post for more information. It's in the comments below.
Hey everybody, Josh Bentley, and I want to give you a quick update in this week's developer news on a couple of things that have been put out by community members as it relates to UI5 technology. The first is there's a blog post out from Marion, and with help from Walter, they put a lot of enhancements together they go through in this blog post on the UI5 spreadsheet importer. Now, rather than me go through all of these enhancements one by one and all the details, please read the blog post, and also I'll put a direct link in so you can go and actually click on and play with the UI5 spreadsheet importer. But let me rattle off these 10 features to see if any of them appeal to you. BTP deployments have been made easier, enhanced data integrity checks, customizable column preview, direct creation of active entities, UI5 v2 support, improved batch processing, send the row number to the back end, asynchronous event handling, using a reuse component button in object page, and the 10th and final update that's mentioned in this blog post isn't really a 10th thing. It's a bunch more. It's bug fixes. So you can click and view the entire change log as well of all the great enhancements that have been done to the UI5 spreadsheet importer. Now, the next link I wanted to give you is to the UI5 Form Builder. You may not have seen this great project that was just released this week by some SAP community members who are passionate about making form building easy with UI5. The attached link will take you to the project page where you can build your own forms from scratch or use some of the preloaded templates. It's really cool functionality, allows you to add rows, add fields to rows, drag and drop functionality makes it easy to use, so it's a great interface. And if you want to get started playing with forms and save your forms, it's a great tool to start exploring with. Hope you enjoy it, Many thanks to those in the SAP community that are passionate about UI5.